Hello, today I would like to show you how to customize sound settings in Myth of Empires. From main menu, go into settings. In settings, go into sound settings, and right here in the control section you can customize your main volume, BGM's sound and volume, ambient sound volume, volume effect, speech volume, voice volume, and you are also able to block instrument performances by other players. You can choose and pick on the sliders and just to make sure everything is according to your preferences, then simply hit confirm and you'll be taken right back to the main menu. Thank you for watching, and please remember to comment, like and subscribe.